Oh. Alright, well, maybe. Wow. Are you okay though? I mean, are you okay? Like, you're okay with everything. You're fine. You're fine. No, but I'm just asking. You know I always ask. Oh, excuse yourself. No, it isn't actually. Whatever. Oh man, the beach looks really, really nice right now. I'm like in awe. Yeah, it's sunny. The water's not too cold. It's not too. It is. Well, where are you? Oh, you're at home, right? Oh, there is some sun. It's not like fiery right now, but it's. I didn't have my cell phone off. I mean, yeah, my phone was out of battery for like an hour or so, but the hell? Don't imitate me. Hey, don't hate. Oh, perdóname. I'm sorry.